Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Tech and ICT Solutions, with another new video tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to stop automatically downloading and installing updates on Windows 10. That mean, disable automatic download and installing. Click this PC, by mouse right button, and, after click on Manage. Now, select Service and Application, and after click on Services. Select Standard Service, and then, search Windows Update option. You can see, Windows Update option, Startup Type was automatic. Now we select this Startup Type Disable, click Apply, and after Stop, and finally click on OK. Now your Windows Automatically Update option is disabled. If you want to enable your Windows automatically again, then click on this PC, by mouse right button. After select Manage, then again go to Standard Service option. Go to Windows Update option, and now the startup type will be Automatic Delay Start. Now click Apply, then Start, and after complete, finally click on OK. Windows Automatic Update start again. If we follow another way for stop Windows Automatic Update, then click on Control Panel. Select View by Large icon. Click on Administrative Tools, and after click Service, you can stop or start Windows Automatically Update and installation in the same way as like previous. Same as previous way. I hope now you can save your important time by stopping Windows Automatic Update and installation very easily. If you face any problem, please type me in comment box, and, for next video, please press the bell button. Thanks for watching this video. Please, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more, new tech and ICT related videos.